Hydraulic, ladies and gentlemen, look at this 3-point blade, hydraulic, tilt, hydraulic. Yes, sir, good cylinders and all. Got hydraulic every way. 500 out, keep it down, 500 out. 2, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 7, 7, 800, 8, I get 7, 800, sold at $700, $145, $700, $145. Hit 2,100 capacity on the Quick Attack Sports right here. $1,000, $500, 200, 300, 400, 400, half. I get 3 and a half, half forward, back down forward, I get 3 and a half, 75, sir. 375, 4, 4 and a quarter. I get 4, half, 4 and a half, 75, towards 500 and a quarter. And now half, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 525, 550, sold at 520, 500 number 145, 520, 500 number 145. We got a wood splitter, looks like cheap. 24 ton on the wood splitter, but it looks like a good one. $2 and now 2 300. I get 2 down 3 down 500 now 600 600 7 800 I get 7 bid not 7 bid not 15 now $800 $800 now have here don't be 900 875 and 900 25 I get 925 sold it $900. You bought it number 138
Les, we are going to be selling the firewood over here, but that's going to be sold from the screen after the real estate. But in the corner of the same lean-to back here, there's a bunch of lumber. When we're done selling the tiller here, I'm not sure what for lumber it is. That is rough cut. It's just dimensional lumber and miscellaneous pieces. So when we get done selling the tiller from right here, we're going to sell that lumber. You take a look at it, and we'll sell that before we get too far.
All right, $800, $500, 600, 5 I get 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, back 30, 5 and a half, 75, 5 600, 625, I get 600, 620, 625, and now 50, 675, 650, 75, 7 and a quarter, 7 and a quarter, I get 7, 25, 7 and a quarter, sold at $700, put it on 113, absentee 113. Okay, final land pride on the RTA 1050 on the rototiller. 500, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 9, and now 1,000, 11, 1,000, 1,100, 10, 50, now 11, 50, 11 bid, 11 now 1,200, 50, 1,300, 13, so 12 and a half, you bought it, Rodney, number 127, number